Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set Calendly with Google Calendar. So first things first, you just have to go to calendly.com and then basically it will show you options on how to sign up. You can sign up with Google, you can sign up with Microsoft, but for me the easiest way is to sign up with your Google so that whatever schedule or whatever things you have added to your Google Calendar using your Google account will be added here in Calendly. So you can also continue with email, with Microsoft, everything is up to you. Now you can choose an account. So choose the account that you wanted to add here, and basically that's how you created Calendly. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So since I have already, then you will see this that I have created my calendar. If you want to create, just tap create right here. You have your options, one-on-one, group, and so on. So basically, before we proceed with creating an event or setting up Calendly with Google Calendar, I'm going to show you that on the left side, there are options here. So basically, you can see here the scheduling. So you can tap on event types, you can tap on a single use links and meeting posts. So basically, you can just create whatever you want here, and also you can see the upcoming and the current event using that. So now we have this availability where you can schedule, you can create or connect your calendar to Google Meet, Zoom, and so on. You can also see here the advanced meeting. So if to see your upcoming events, you just have to tap on this advanced meetings. So basically, that's it. And now that's how easy it is to connect your Calendly to your Google account. Now, as you can see here, you have this calendar settings where you can just basically connect your Google account. As easy as that. Once connected, and then you can sync here your contacts, everything, schedule, and events. So if you want to add contacts here on your Calendly so that it would be easier for you to tag them for upcoming events, you just have to tap on contacts. You can add them manually. Everything is up to you. Also, workflows, you will see here automated communications, but this one you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock this. Integration, if you want to connect your Calendly to other applications like Microsoft Teams, Google, and Zoom, PayPal, Slack, and so on. Zapier, everything is up to you. You can just basically tap this one right here, but not all applications are available. Routing, but you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock this. And yes, in order for you to create, just tap on create. You can choose whatever event or type you wanted. So let's just say for this event type, I'm going to name this as tutorials. So let's just say I am an English teacher and I want to offer service for English lessons. So I can type your English lesson, and then below there is duration. So for example, you want to offer English tutorial or lesson for like 30 minutes or more. And then for location, you can just select from any of this. Okay, so if you don't want to do the personal, you can select Google Meet, Zoom, and so on. Phone, everything is up to you. Availability, you can tap this availability right here, and then you can choose your schedule. Here, you can set your schedule if you want to be available every weekends only or available every weekdays only. You can also add here specific time or extras. So you just have to simply edit here your availability. And then once done, what you're going to do is tap on save. So your client, the customer can see availability. They can't book unless you set this as available or open. So basically, that's how you add or change availability schedule here on Calendly. And then you can see here working hours. So basically, it will appear on your Calendly. So once done, you can tap save or apply changes. And then basically that's it. So once you're done, then you can now proceed and then create this event type. And basically that's it. Now, if you want to view how will your customer or client see that, all you have to do is to just basically go to preview or copy the link and then paste it to a new link tab. And this is what it looks like. So basically, if your customer or client want to book an English lesson with you, they will just click that specific date, and then they have to add their information. So feel free to change that and then publish. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So basically, let's just say I'm your student or I'm a client or customer. If I'm going to click the link that you're about to send to me, then I can see this one right here. So I can book a lesson with you. I can see the availability time. Once done, then I can enter my details. This is what it looks like. And then after that, I'm going to tap on this schedule event. And also, if I want to share this, I can copy and then paste a link anywhere. Or you can also copy that and then paste that, send using your email, your WhatsApp, or your other application. And when they click that link, it will take them directly to this. They can book a lesson using Calendly, enter their details, and you will receive that as the owner. So basically, that's how easy it is to set up Calendly with Google Calendar. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.